Yeah, hi. Today's mukbang is about Cook Island food. I saw online on YouTube and I didn't see anyone that started a Cook Island mukbang, so I thought, oh, why don't I start one? Eh? Maybe there might be others that will, come up with videos to do a Cook Island mukbang. Maybe it's out there, I don't know. But I Googled it and nothing came up. So I thought, okay, today is the day that I think that I will, start one. So first of all, I would like to say kia ora, because that's what the Cook Islanders say when they're greeting people. So Cook Islanders, kia ora. I am a Samoan, I'm not a Cook Islander. My husband is Cook Islander. So over the years, I've come to love their food like my husband loved our food, the Samoan food, which is similar. But then we don't have some of the things that Cook Islanders make, but we've over the years come to love. And this one over here is banana poke, and then this one is the potato mayonnaise with the beetroot in it, and I've got raw fish, and I have sapasui, chop suey, that they also love to eat, just like us. So anyway, to start my mukbang now, I better start. And I can't wait to dig in. That's a raw fish. Oh. How can I forget? How can I forget the beautiful Raro donut, Cook Island donut. How can I forget? But I don't normally like to eat chop suey with spoon, but I've got everything else that needs a spoon. And oh, I just wanted to quickly say, my daughter, she did that painting for me, and it says Favids. That's the name of my video, Favids. So I appreciate that. Today is Mother's Day, so she did it last night, and she said, Mum, I've got this for you. This is for your Mother's Day. So I appreciate her very much for doing that. Thank you very much, Chalora. Raw fish. All this food I got from the market. I went to the Blacktown market. Okay. Look at my eyes look white. Anyway, I went to the Blacktown market. There's the ladies there that make all this lovely food. For us to come and get and eat. So thank you very much, ladies. My glass has got white. Don't know why. I'm still very inexperienced about recording and stuff. Today I've got water. There's a lot of good things here, and it needs to be washed down with water. Look at that. And this chop suey has got cabbage and carrot. As a compliment to my daughter's painting, I thought I'd wear this. Now, the flower in my ear. Just like my Cook Island Mukbang. I'm eating a little slower today because my daughter said to me, take your time when you eat, Mum. There's no rush. But I don't want a 20-minute video. So I'd rather get it over and done with, eh? Donut's so nice. Appreciate them making this. They're very nice people. The people that make these kind, they're selling this at the market, this food, they're from where my husband's from, Aitutaki. My husband calls it the best, but I don't know what you guys think out there. Raw fish. When I made this plate, I thought, a bit too much for me, but who knows? I probably can finish it. Beautiful Cook Island food. I've loved it since I was a child. We used to stay in Wellington. This is New Zealand. Wellington is down, and our neighbours was Cook Islanders, and we used to go to church that's mixed with Cook Islanders, Samoans, Cook Islanders, and Tukalaos. Yeah, it was harmonious. Everyone got along, you know. Growing up, we sort of all knew who was who, but we didn't know exactly who they were, but we always nod at each other or say hello because we're familiar with each other's faces, so very good. This is down Wellington, Pororua. I don't know if anyone of you down here watching that Pororua. Hello, old neighbours. And our Cook Islander neighbour, she would make railway donuts and she'll bring it over for us because there used to be 5 of us siblings, and she'll come over because we, you know, hang out with her children. So I think I can finish this plate. Beautiful food. So nice. I'm just thinking, I think I should have had a little bit of chicken there, roast chicken. And it's raw fish. It's got spring onion, tomato, and you can see some chopped up onion as well, fish, and raw and coconut cream. Some people do it with cream, their raw fish. Some people half. Some people like with lemon, some people don't. I prefer lemon. Oh man, this is so lovely. So if you're in Sydney, Australia, and if you want some Cook Island food, go on Sundays at the Blacktown Market where the drive-in is. Go there and you won't be sorry. The food is lovely. So yum, look, I'm almost done. I really thought I wasn't going to finish it, but it's yum. How can I not finish it? Oh, my pack's finished. I just really a bit of finish. Yum. My daughter's right. It is good to slow down. Only because I was enjoying it. This is no lie. This is beautiful. Thank you, ladies who made this. I appreciate it. So nice, man. So nice. So nice. I want to get more, but I have to end the video. Anyway, I would like to say to my Cook Islander brothers and sisters out there, your food is awesome, delicious. I just want to say I've eaten my beautiful food that the Cook Islander people make, and I loved it. It was so yummy. I'm still burping. Thank you, Cook Islander people. Thank you, Rarotonga, and your beautiful food. Aitatakians and everywhere else. I just love the food. I really, really loved it. I was looking forward for this one because I know how lovely it always is. I grew up eating this around people that I've grown with, and my husband too. That's his kind of food too. And hey, it can be my kind of food too. Thank you very much for watching my channel, and I ask that you subscribe if you enjoyed my video, and if you want to watch more, just press that tinga bell so you can be notified that I'm online, you know, that you can come and watch my channel. You know, it'll be nice. I'd love to have you join me when I'm having something to eat. So you take care out there, and don't forget, remember what I said, you have to be awesome. Awesome. Thank you very much. Yeah, you take care. Bye-bye.